In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to your cart on Alibaba. First, open your web browser and search for Alibaba. In the results, choose the official site. You'll know you're in the right place when the address ends in alibaba.com and the homepage shows product categories across the top. Once the site loads, sign in to your account. Being logged in ensures your cart saves properly and lets you see accurate prices and shipping options for your region. Next, start browsing. You can scroll through the home page to discover popular items, or use the search bar at the top to type exactly what you're looking for. Try specific keywords to narrow results. On the results page, you can apply filters like category, price range, minimum order quantity, and shipping destination to find items that match your needs. It's also helpful to glance at supplier ratings and the trade assurance badge for added peace of mind. When something catches your eye, click the product to open its detailed page. Here, review photos, specifications, available colors and sizes, the minimum order quantity, estimated lead time, and shipping methods. Make sure the listing matches what you need before adding it to your cart. If you're ready, click the Add to Cart button you'll see on the product page. On many listings, this opens a panel or highlights the options you must choose first. Select the color and size you want. Some suppliers provide a size chart or measurement guide in the images or description. Check that if you're unsure. Variations can affect price and availability, so confirm the option you select is in stock. Now adjust the quantity using the plus sign beside the size or quantity field. If the supplier sets a minimum order quantity, the number may start at that value. You can usually type a number directly as well. Watch for any price breaks when you increase the amount, and note that shipping estimates may update. Finally, click Add to Cart again to confirm. You should see a pop-up confirmation or the cart icon update with your item count. From here, you can continue shopping or view your cart to review items, confirm variants, and prepare for checkout later. And that's it. You searched, opened the official site, signed in, found an item, chose the right options, set the quantity, and added it to your cart with confidence.